This is the Financial News Network's Options Report. We have searched the options markets for stocks that have had both above average call volume and put volume as a potential source for where institutions are placing their near-term bets. On the call side, we see Corning with 9 times the amount of average call volume. That is a sign that some investors are betting that the company could top earnings estimates when it reports next week. Networking firm Infinera is also seeing above average call volume with 8 times the amount trading hands today. Latin American online retailer MercadoLibre is also seeing bullish action, as is the Technology Spider ETF, which is seeing 6 times the amount of call options traded. That could mean that investors believe today's pullback in the Nasdaq is a buying opportunity. Rounding out the list is oil services firm Schlumberger, which also has had above average call activity. On the put side of the ledger, we have seen a larger number of puts traded on the consumer discretional Spider ETF, which has had nearly 9 times the amount of puts traded. This is somewhat of an ominous signal that investors are betting against a recovery in consumer spending. Marriott, which recently hit a new 52-week high, is also on the list with more than 8 times the amount of puts traded. Semiconductor equipment maker Lam Research also tops the list of companies where there have been an unusual amount of bearish bets being placed. Lam also reports earnings next week. Rounding out the list of above average put trades is Gilead Sciences and retailer Aeropostale, which have had well over 4 times the amount of put activity so far today. Stay tuned to the Financial News Network for more details on these companies and for other reports on unusual market action. I'm Christy Duffy.